Quinn, can you crack my back again?
Again? I do this all the time for you.
Yeah.
Wait, this isn't actually gonna help you get out of back pain. Come to the wall. So bring your feet, your pelvis, your shoulder blades, and your head all touching the wall. Bring your arms to a 90-degree angle. Have your elbows and your wrists touching the wall the entire time. Bring your elbows towards the feet, and then nice and slow, bring them up towards the ceiling. Perform that 10 times, and that will get you out of pain.
How'd you know how to do that?
It's because I follow Quinn from Block Therapy. He teaches me how to get out of pain really fast.